In this video, I will show you how to update your 1688 Chinese shopping app. Very quick and easy tutorial. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, or pinduoduo, or IDFish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business using 1688, pinduoduo, Alibaba, or AliExpress, or consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how to import from China using 1688 Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let me show you how.
Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to update your 1688 Chinese shopping app. Let me show you how. The very first thing you need to do is open up your 1688 Chinese shopping app. The next thing you need to do is to click on this icon right here. The next thing you need to do is to click on this setting icon. The next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down right here and make sure you click on here. And if there is an update, this is going to pop up. Next thing you need to do is to click on here. So having clicked on that, you can simply swipe and then scroll down. Then you see update is downloading right here. Allow the update to download completely. Just like so. After the update download successful, then this is going to pump up again. Do you want to update this app? Next thing you need to do is to simply click on updates. Installing updates. So allow the updates to install completely. So the update has been fully done. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on open again. And you'll be taken back to your new 1688 Chinese shopping app. And in a fresh and some of the new features is going to be added to your 1688 Chinese shopping app. By frequently update your 1688 Chinese shopping app, keep your app up to date, and also protect your account from being restricted or blocked by 1688. So it is advisable that you always check for updates of your 1688 Chinese shopping app. For more tutorial, tips and tricks about 1688 Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.